Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into a fascinating topic, the comparison between the F-16 and the MiG-29. These two iconic fighter jets have been at the forefront of aerial combat for decades, and today we'll explore the unique challenges that come with transitioning from one to the other. So, buckle up, and let's get started. Going from flying a MiG-29 fighter to flying an F-16 fighter is no easy task. It requires learning a new flight system, a new flight package, and a new combat doctrine. But it's not impossible, as some pilots have managed to do it successfully in the past. The main challenges in the transition from flying the MiG-29 to the F-16 lie in differences in cockpit layout and gauges. The MiG-29 has a more symmetrical traditional cockpit with many switches, dials, and counters, while the F-16 has a more digital cockpit with gauges. This means that pilots need to learn how to use the new flight system, understand the new flight package, and adapt to the new combat doctrine. One of the biggest challenges for pilots making this transition is the different cockpit layouts. The MiG-29 has a more symmetrical cockpit with many switches, dials, and counters, while the F-16 has a more digital cockpit with gauges. This means that pilots need to learn how to use the new flight system, understand the new flight package, and adapt to the new combat doctrine. Another aspect to consider is the different flight packages. The MiG-29 has a more traditional flight package, while the F-16 has a more advanced package. This requires pilots to learn how to use the new flight system and understand the new flight package. Lastly, pilots need to adapt to the new combat doctrine. The MiG-29 has a more traditional combat doctrine, while the F-16 has a more advanced doctrine. This means that pilots need to learn how to use the new flight system and understand the new combat doctrine. In conclusion, transitioning from flying a MiG-29 to an F-16 is a challenging but achievable task. It requires pilots to learn a new flight system, flight package, and combat doctrine, as well as adapt to the different cockpit layouts and gauges. But with dedication and practice, it's possible for pilots to make this transition successfully. Thank you so much for joining us today. If you found this video informative and enjoyable, please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Until next time, happy flying!